Express the decimal 11.25 as a rational number. Let's take a deep dive to what this question is asking from us. Like, what is a rational number? Well, a rational number is any number that can be written in the form of P over Q. So it's a fraction where P and Q are integers, meaning any number. It can be whole number, meaning it does include 0, and it can be either positive or negative. But the catch is that Q, that is the denominator, should not be equal to 0. I mean, the number can either be 1, can either be 2, but the denominator should not equal to 0, only for Q. Now, some important facts. All terminating decimal, that is decimal that ends, are rational numbers, meaning in our case, which is 11.225, the decimal ends. So we can say that this is a rational number. Otherwise, if it's a true and false question, if we keep on repeating, then this would not be a rational number. Since 11.25 is the terminating decimal, we can say that it is a rational number. We need to write the number as a fraction format, so I can write that as 11.225 over 1. I would have something like 11.225 over 1. Now we need to count the decimal places in order to get closer to the rational number. I counted 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 decimal places. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 1000 because there is 3 0. So if I do the multiplication, I get 11.225 times 1000 by 1 times 1000. It would actually remove the decimal place, and I would have with a natural number, which is 11,225 by 1000. Now we need to simplify this fraction. If we simplify this fraction, let's see, I would have the final output, which is 449 over 40. So in conclusion, any rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction. So 449 over 40 is a fraction, and it is a rational number. And since 11.225 ends, we can consider it as a rational number. If it continues, I mean it doesn't end, so we cannot say that it's a rational number. Its rational form would be 449 over 40. So this would be our answer, which is 449 over 40.